Hi to all. Today's topic is maxima and minima for a functions of two variable. So maxima, minima functions of two variable. What you have to do? First step, you have to find dou f by dou x and make it equal to 0. Dou f by dou y equal to 0 is nothing but fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0. Then when you solve it, you get 2 points. The 2 points is called critical points or stationary points. The corresponding points substitute in the function, you get the point is called as a stationary value. Second step, what you have to do? You have to go for a second order derivative. Dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou x into dou y, dou square f by dou y square. All the three terms you have to find it. So the first term, dou square f by dou x squared, it's denoted by symbol r. Dou square f by dou x into dou y denoted by the symbol s. Dou square f by dou y square is denoted by the symbol t. You can denote it by any alphabet, A, B, C, E. Also you can denote it. It's not wrong. But the condition, you have to remember this 4 condition. Using this condition only, you are going to conclude in the problem whether it's a maximum point or minimum points or saddle point or no conclusion. So the first condition is nothing but rt minus s square. The first with respect to 2-time derivative with respect to x and 2-time derivative with respect to y, both when I multiply it, rt minus s square, when you have greater than 0, and r, the first derivative with respect to x, so second order derivative, when it is less than 0, it is a maximum point. Like this you can remember, less means maximum, greater means minimum. Both the condition, when rt minus s squared both are greater than 0, then maximum point and minimum point it is. But when rt minus s squared is less than 0, when you get it, is less than 0 means when you get any negative, it's called as a saddle point. Okay. rt minus s squared equal to 0 when it's a rare case. It is called as a doubtful and further investigations are needed. So correspondingly the first problem, examine for the extreme value of, question has been given. First I will write the question as it is. Function of x comma y is given to be x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 12. First we need to find fx and fy. So it's nothing but fx, dou f by dou x is fx. So differentiate with respect to x, 2x plus 6. Same way fy, dou f by dou y, y when I differentiate only 2y. So make it equal to 0, y equal to 0, getting the point, y equal to 0. In this, when I make it 2x equal to minus 6, so x equal to minus 3. Getting the point to be x equal to minus 3. Now the points are x comma y, I have to write, is nothing but minus 3 comma 0. Only one point I am having in this problem. You may have many points. All the point you have to write it as a stationary point when in some other question. So minus 3 comma 0 is a stationary point. So completed. Next step, that point, whether we are going to check whether it's a maximum point or minimum point or saddle point, we are going to check it. So for that, first only one point is there. So if so many points are there, one by one you have to check. First you have to take the first point and check. Okay, only one points are there. Only that point I'm going to check. We are going with now second order derivative. Second order derivative is nothing but dou squared f by dou x squared. So second order derivative fxx we are going to find. It's nothing but dou squared f by dou x squared. Okay, when I find it, it's nothing but r. Okay, so when I find it, this equation one more time with respect to x, it's nothing but 2. Okay, already I have itself number only, I don't have any variable. If variables are there, substitute the corresponding point, it will become a number. Okay, so r calculated. Next, s I have to calculate. S is nothing but fxy dou squared f by dou x into dou y. It is a meaning dou by dou x is nothing but dou f by dou y. Dou y, dou f by dou y is 2y. So it is 2y. So differentiate with respect to x is nothing but 0. Next, last is t. So fy by nothing but dou squared f by dou y squared. Y squared term means this 2y with respect to again y. It's nothing but 2. So completed. So all we have calculated. Now we are going to check the condition. Okay, when I check the condition, what is our condition? RT minus s squared I have to check. Multiply it RT. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 0, 4. So 4. I am getting a positive. Positive means it's greater than 0. When I get greater than 0 means I have to check R also. R, you check it. R I am getting 2. So it is also greater than 0. So what it is? Both it is greater than 0. When R greater than 0 means it is a, what it is? It's a minimum point or it's maximum point. You have to check it. Okay. So it's greater than 0 means minimum point. So the minus 3 comma 0 is a minimum point. We should not leave it as it is. The minimum value also you have to calculate it. Minimum value we need to calculate it. What is our minimum value? The corresponding point minus 3 comma 0 substitute in the given question. We will get the minimum value. Okay, when I substitute in the given question, you substitute it at 3 comma 0. At minus 3 comma 0 you substitute in the given question. When I substitute it, 3 minus 3 the whole squared. Okay, 0 here. So minus 3 plus 12. So all that we have to calculate it. To calculate it, it's nothing but minus 3 the whole squared. So the whole squared is 3 squared 9. 9 plus 0 minus 18 plus 12. 21 minus 18. So 3. Minimum value is 3. You have to write it like this. The minimum value is 3. So completed. The second question. What is our second problem? Find the extreme value of the function x cube plus y cube minus 3x minus 12y plus 20. The same procedures are same. Okay. Now, given question first I will write it. First I will go with the first order derivative. Okay. So first order derivative. Fx, Fy, I will calculate it. Fx, Fy, dou F by dou x It's nothing but x. When I differentiate it, x you differentiate it, 3x squared minus 3 equal to 0. Same way, 2f by 2y. So 3y squared minus 12 equal to 0. So y squared equal to 12 divided by 3. So 4. Y squared equal to 4. Y squared 4 means what is here y? Y is nothing but plus or minus 2. Same way here, x squared equal to 1. X squared equal to 1. So x is nothing but plus or minus 1. How many points I am having? 4 points. See here, in x we have 2 points, y we have 2 points. All the 4 combination is a stationary point. It is a rule to write all the 4 points. Whether you will be asking whether I have to write. Yes, you have to write all the 4 points. I will write, show you. The stationary points are when 1 comma 2, okay, 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2, so minus 1 comma minus 2. So these 4 are stationary points. This is the way we have to do it. Now all the 4 points, now we are going to check whether it is a maximum or minimum or saddle point, like that one by one we need to check all the 4 points, okay, which is maximum, which is minimum, like that we are going to write it now. Separate you can write it, or you can write it like a table format, your wish. In a single you are going to write it means it's no problem. For that, before writing, what I say, first general case we will calculate, second order first we will calculate. So it will be easy for the calculation. R, S, T we will calculate. R is nothing but F double X. S is F X Y. T is nothing but F Y Y. So first this I will calculate. So it will be easy for my calculation. X is nothing but this x, one more time it's nothing but 6x. XY is the meaning. Okay. So y term is this with respect to x. So I am not having any term, so 0. T is nothing but this y. So again it is a 6y. So I have written all the term. Now you write it in a table format. It will be easy for our each point checking. I will tell you. Like this table. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, all the stationary point. Do it like this. So it will be easy for my calculation. Write the conclusion. Or separate also. Take first point, check whether it's a stationary. Maximum point or minimum point or saddle point, like that also you can do it, your wish of doing. Okay, my first point 1 comma 2, second point 1 comma minus 2, when it is minus 1 comma 2, when it is minus 1 comma minus 2, all the point I have written. Now I need to check what condition. RT minus S squared condition I need to check it. RT minus S squared is nothing but general RT minus S squared is nothing but RT is nothing but 36xy. Okay. So 36xy. In this only x you are going to put 1, y you are going to put 2. So you will be getting some answer. Same 36xy, the points will change. X you are going to put 1 and y you are going to put minus 2. Same 36 into xy only you are going to change the points. Only the value will change. Okay, the equation general is 36xy only. So when I put 1 and 2, you need not calculate the particular answer. Only you can check whether it's greater or less. Okay. So 36 when I put it, I will be getting, you check it. So 36 1 and 2. So 2 times, so 36 into 2. So it is positive. It is greater than 0. Only that you write it, that is enough. So 36 RT minus S squared. I will write directly 72. So it is greater than 0. Like this I will write. Okay. So same way here when I put it's greater means R also have to check. R is nothing but 6x. 6 into 1. Okay. 6 into 6x. So 6 into 1. So it's a 6. So it is also greater than 0. Okay. Same way here. RT minus S squared when I put, okay, I'll be getting here 36 into 1 into y minus 2. So I'll be getting minus 72. Minus 72, which is less than 0. Okay. This less means I need not check R at all. Okay. So next, when same way RT minus S squared when I calculate it, so it's nothing but 36 into minus 1 into 2. So it is again minus 72. It's less than 0. I need not check for a R at all. Same way here RT minus S squared when I check it, calculate it. 36 into minus 1 minus 2. So I'll be getting 72 positive only. So it's greater than 0. When it is greater than 0, R I have to check. R is nothing but 6x. So 6x means 6x. So less than 0 I am getting. Okay. So what is our condition? When both are less than 0 means it's a saddle point. When saddle point. Here itself you can write like this. It's a saddle point conclusion. Both saddle point. But you check in this when it is greater means I have to check with R. R is greater. When it is greater, greater symbol means minimum point. Here it's less means maximum point. So you should not leave it as it is. We have to find what is our minimum value and maximum value also you have to find. Okay, for that 2 marks or some marks will be there. Okay, so minimum value and maximum value. So the minimum value, maximum value. Minimum value means which point, which stationary point is a minimum means 1, 2 you have to substitute in the given question. So it is for example f of 1, 2 I have to substitute in the given question instead of question when I substitute it. What is our question? X cube. So 1 cube plus 2 cube minus 3 into 1 minus 12 into 2 plus 20. Everything you add it. When I add it, I will be getting so 2. 2 is our minimum value. Same way, f of which stationary point is a maximum. So, f of minus 1 comma minus 2 substitute in the same question when I substitute it. So, minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1. So, minus 2 the whole cube is minus 8. Again, plus 3 plus 24 plus 20. So, when I add it, 38 I am getting. Okay, my maximum point is 38. So completed. This is our answer. Minimum value and maximum value. 2 and 38 is our answer. Thank you.